Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be doing a Flee the Facility video. We're going to be doing challenges. So a challenge is that we're going to play in first person only and no sound. So if I'm Beast, I can just play with no sound and as a survivor too. So this is going to be a hard challenge. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, I'm a survivor. I have to be in first person. I don't like first person. This is actually embarrassing. Nobody can hear the sound. I can't even hear the sound. So I have to, and it's gonna be bad for me because, oh, yeah, I'm not hacking this computer. Yeah, I'm not hacking that computer. I'm leaving. Uh-oh. No, you're not slick. Bro! Why did I want to leave the room? Bro! Bye, you're gonna get yourself. Go, 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 go! Save me, save me, save me! She's gonna double because she's, what's it called? Stingy. I don't know why I messed up, but I'm gonna try and hack. Did she get hit? She got hit? Yeah, my teammates got it. Gonna hack. This is not easy at all. I can't even tell. But I like, this challenge is good for me, I guess. And I can't even, okay, good. They saved. We need to get some computers done because this beast is hardcore. They'll take any chance to get double. Both hit. Actually, I'm gonna get some progress on other computer. I'm gonna try this trick. Oh, it works. I promise you it works. Yeah, it works. I'm not wasting my time. I'm not gonna get killed. Good spot though, because the beast could check up there. She's hacking. Okay, I'm going to the barn. Pray for me. Somebody left the game. Are you kidding me? Thank you. We need to leave. I don't know where the beast is gonna come from, so I'm just gonna... The person could have stalker. One left. Perfect. Okay, this is the last computer. We did real good, but I don't know how the person left. They saw me. No! Run. She can't because she know. Bro, where did you come from? Hack. Yes, stalker on. Cut save. Close the door. Okay, she took my extra. I don't care. We can't save. Okay, I'm in first person. I can't hear anything. Mind you, I can't hear anything. Got you there. Let's go. Where's your friend? Okay. Come here. Okay, okay. I'm not being greedy right now. Okay, come here. Are you testing me? This girl's testing me. You're trapped. Come here. Who's nearby? Who is nearby? Who is nearby? I have a feeling somebody's here. Who is here? Oh, nah, I hate this. I want to hear my footsteps. Now I don't know who's gonna save or not. 2 computers? These people are hacking real good. Gonna check up. I'm greedy. Okay, let's go for the dude right here. Then let's go for you. Might have to hit you again. Come here. Come here. Come here, come here. Where's the girl? Y'all are greedy. I saw somebody here. No, actually, no. Let me be here. Bro! Okay. I am survivor as usual. First person is and no sound is actually hard. They saw me. They saw me. They saw me. They saw me. Bro! Thank you. Where'd you go? I'm following you. Okay, I'm gonna save. Attempt to save. this girl got captured. I'm coming. Because you are our only hope. I'm not passing there. Somebody got saved. This is actually crazy. Shoot, I messed up. I'm not going to there. Cool, Dave. Buddy. Did I not? Bro. We're trapped. I'm gonna make some progress on that airport computer, unless it's hacked, which I guarantee it's not. Oh, what? What? Where did you come from? Oh, she got captured too. I know the person saw me. Gonna continue the computer that they were hacking.
Okay. My first fish. I hate when
Whoa!
Are you hiding?
I'm the one hacking.
Guys in the room.
Where is he?
Coming back.
He's gonna use this thing. I'm not staying.
Why are you using first person?
Because I'm doing a challenge for my video.
You know I'm in the game, right?
Yeah. What? What? Hi. Who's it? Oh, it's the person that joined. We'll be fine.
But they're level 34, so you're not good.
Oh. I mean, yeah. We'll be fine, I guess.
Oh, I knew it. You did?
Me? Oh, yeah, I'm leaving. I can't hear. Me. You going there?
I don't know. Oh, who made a mistake again?
Me.
Full again.
What?
He's so pretty.
Last round. And look at that. The level 245 is beast.
Why did you close the door?
I didn't think you would follow me, you know. Oh, bro! I'm not hacking that computer.
Yeah, I was here.
No! I literally wanted to make an escape route for me, and now the beasts are gonna go there for sure. Okay. Now she's gonna camp me like a hawk. This game is so annoying. I'm not doing this challenge again. Who saved me? Huh? Okay. Well, okay.
I like this map. I'm just kidding. That was a joke. You're supposed to laugh. But you didn't. Trying to find that.
She's gonna come back to this computer.
What computer is it?
We're in arcade pool room. I'm not hacking that computer.
Is it almost done?
No, yes, it's almost done. I'm not, and she's here. Don't come this way. Don't come this way. Oh, you're so stingy. I left the extra for her so she could get up and help her, and then we can all hack. I should have told you. She's here.
Why did she close the door?
So nobody can escape.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord.
Wow, this beast is blind. Why are you so far? She's on my tail. She's on my tail.
Bro! This is so annoying. I hate this ugly game.
Who chose this map? Next time I'll tell you don't vote arcade. Next time, huh? Next time. Do you get found?
Are you going to do it?
Okay, I found some people. I don't know I'm following you, but I'm just following you because I want to. And this map is too small, not big. This is the only thing, and the beast can easily get you, by the way. So, no computer in that room, by the way. No, this person is caught.
Dude, I'm scared. Oh, she's here.
What?
Where was she?
What the? Where was she? Turned around for a split second. Did you get saved or you both got hit? You both got hit?
No, just me.
Oh, she saw me.
Thanks.
You got saved?
She's camping?
She's on my tail. What? No. So, like, why did she turn around? I'm sorry, I had to go out first person. No. She left me. She's going to the...
Yes, his box. She hit me.
Oh, I'm gonna hack that computer. What?
Why are you here?
Ah! I can't.
Right there.
Oh, she got hit for once. Oh my goodness. Guys, I don't know. I don't think I'm scared.
She teleported through the wall.
And somebody left too. What? We're cooked. She found me. Like, no. She got it broken. Yeah. We're hacking the other computer. We're about to finish.
The one that I left?
Yeah, I'm opening an exit. There. What? She ignored her. She ignored the person.
Oh, Lol has a good outfit. She's wearing all black.
I got hit. She's gonna like come back to the area. Oh, y'all. So like, y'all need to say, and she's here. She's here. I got hit. Got hit. What?
You're free?
Bro!
You're free?
I literally got hit and then... Bro! Get me, save me, save me, save me.